Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial series. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of generating random numbers in Python. So, grab your coding gear and let's get started. Alright, first things first, let's explore how to generate a random float in Python. Here, we're using the random function to generate a random float between 0 and 1. Now, let's move on to generating a random integer within a specified range. Now, with the randint function, we can produce a random integer between 1 and 10. But what if we want to generate random numbers with a specific step value? Let's check that out. Here, using randrange, we get a random number between 0 and 100 in steps of 5. Python makes it easy. But that's not all, let's explore randomizing elements in a list. Using choice, we randomly select an element from the mySequence list. And there you have it, generating randomness in Python made simple. With the shuffle function, we can randomize the order of elements in a list. Now, let's see how to pick a random element from a sequence. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Until next time, happy coding!